Salesforce is an 80,000 people organization. We're very collaborative.
I only have one chance to make an impression with the customer.
Staying focused is, I think, one of the biggest challenges.
The pace is just constant.
Sometimes you got to slow down to go fast.
I try to start my morning by blocking the first 30 minutes to think about what needs to happen today. I write that down, and having it on my reMarkable allows me to have a longer organizational memory, which is super important in a chief of staff role. You have to be able to stay on top of all of it. reMarkable really gives me that superpower. The Slack integration has been the game changer. Being able to take notes by hand allows me to be much more focused. Being able to share it immediately with my team has just allowed me to bring the best of both worlds.
What I'm finding with my reMarkable is a quiet place for me to actually focus on what's important going into a meeting. I'm just present. I pull out my reMarkable, it's signaling that I'm prepared. I don't want to bring a device that was designed for entertainment into a business setting. If you don't show the attention and the respect needed in a meeting, you're not giving the right signal. So for me, my reMarkable is this very powerful, purposeful device that connects me with my customers in a whole new way.
Staying focused is, I think, one of the biggest challenges, but one of the greatest gifts that you can have. I'm a designer by training. One of the greatest gifts that I was taught is that constraints and focus actually drives better innovation at the end. I fell in love with the reMarkable the moment I was introduced to it. It just became like my personal whiteboard. It was probably by my side for like the next 3 years in every meeting I ever went to.
I think where we're headed in the future is more single-purpose devices. When I think about enterprise deployments, the things that come to my mind are easy sharing and security. So the ability to control and sync this to my enterprise single sign-on, as well as protect the notes with a PIN code, are very important. All of my architects use these for sharing their ideas and really visualizing the strategy that they have in their mind. And that's been incredibly beneficial for my organization.
reMarkable allows us to focus on what matters, be creative. It's just you and your reMarkable. We run distraction-free meetings, no phones, no open laptops. Very important for an enterprise of our size. reMarkable notes are secure and backed up.